Bubble tea has been a favorite beverage for people since its creation, and in this video we'll be taking a comprehensive look at bubble tea, how to make it, plus the benefits you get. This tea is highly classified for summers due to the hot weather. One can't resist having this ice-cold beverage while passing a bubble tea shop. Stick around till the end of this video because I'm going to tell you something more interesting about this bubble tea. What does bubble tea consist of? This tea consists of a sugary sweet tea with milk and chewy tapioca pearls. These balls are also called boba. To give your taste buds a tremendous joy, this tea puts out with numerous flavors. The flavors for plain tea are such as jasmine and black tea. The flavors for fruit tea are such as honeydew and strawberry or taro. Taro is a vegetable that is often utilized in Asian house's dish. How do you make bubble tea? There's no hard and fast rule to make this bubble tea. It's as simple as it could be. These ingredients are for a family tea. Here are some ingredients and how to make bubble tea instructions. You will need 8 tea bags of black tea, desired hot water, 3/4 portion of tapioca pearls, whole milk, fruit juice or simple syrup, 1/2 cup water, and 1/2 cup sweetener, i.e. sugar. Here are the step-by-step instructions for preparing your bubble tea. Preparing the tea. Soak the tea packs in 4 cups of hot water and let it sit undisturbed. For your simple syrup, add 1/2 cup water and 1/2 cup sugar in a saucepan. Also continuously stir until its texture gets thick. When thickened, set aside the saucepan and let it get cooled before putting into a jar. The cooking of tapioca pearls. Boil at least 4 cups of water and add tapioca pearls into the water. Gently whisk the pearls and wait for them to float in the water. Cook them for another good 5 minutes. Pinch a pearl with a spatula to check if the pearls have reached the softness level of the pearls. Cook them for another good 5 minutes if those pearls are still hardened. Use a curved spoon to take the pearls out of the water. Convert these pearls into a jar and stir them with a simple syrup. Mixing of the ingredients. Shear the tea into a jar and dissect the boiled tapioca pearls into 4 empty glasses. Add some ice cubes into each glass. Add 1 cup of tea in each glass. Pour in 1 1/2 tablespoons of milk and 1 1/2 tablespoons of simple sugar syrup into the glass. Whisk and enjoy. You can add more tea and sugar into the mixture according to your taste and consideration. Calories. If you're considerate about your calories, this tea is best for you because it has around 335 calories. Yes, a tea of only 335 calories can fit in your macros and calories accordingly. What kind of pearls, milk, and sweetener to be used? You can take tapioca pearls as they are highly accepted for their taste and softness. You can take any fruit milk, condensed milk, jasmine milk, almond milk, walnut milk, or apricot milk. As for the sweetener, you can use simple syrup for your own choice and taste. You can add the simple syrup in less quantity, or you can increase the simple syrup quantity. Or if you don't want to use sugar, you can use low-calorie sweeteners for your tea, and you can skip the simple syrup preparation step. Benefits of bubble tea on health. Bubble tea has a significant impact with so many benefits on our health. Here are some of the practical benefits you must know. Robust immune system. Green tea is one of the most popular flavors of this bubble tea, and it is said to be that it contains antioxidants like catechins, which help strengthen the immune system. Further, adding some fruits that are rich in vitamin C will also help in boosting the immune system. Better cardiac health. Sugar-rich and high-calorie diets aren't always benefiting for your heart health, but having a healthy version of a bubble tea can ultimately strengthen the blood vessels' walls and prevents arteries from clogging. Energy boost. The sugar and caffeine found in this Taiwanese beverage make it the most energetic tea. We all know caffeine is the best energy booster, and a duo of this caffeine with sugar in a bubble tea helps us boost our energy levels. It's also anti-inflammatory. Bubble tea has a generic impact on our liver, breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. Studies have proven that this tea is anti-inflammatory, which is best for our skin. This tea is perfect for clearing and giving a glow to your skin. For some past year, bubble tea is growing a new vogue for everyone. Firstly, it was all around Taiwan, but as for now, you must have seen bubble tea cafes nearly all around you. Also, this tea is having a significant impact on the ones who drink it. But if you can't get to a bubble tea cafe, you can make this at your home for your family with the above instructions. This bubble tea can give your taste buds a treat. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and share the video, and subscribe to get the amazing videos from Healthy and Harmonious.